going to talk about mask. When you go outside, you must wear a mask. We will attack the corona with the mask, and we are going to wash the hands. We are going to hand sanitize all day when you are going outside. You should wear the mask on your nose and on your mouth.
My topic is Peppa Pig. I love Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig is my favorite cartoon. Peppa Pig is 5 years old. Peppa Pig is a girl pig. Peppa Pig has little brother George. He is 3 years old. The scientists are researching for vaccine over vaccine and bubble tea. And scientists never ever give up attitude.